Making pizza at home can be a delightful culinary adventure. Begin by gathering your ingredients, focusing on high-quality flour, yeast, salt, water, and olive oil for the dough. A pizza stone or a sturdy baking sheet will also be essential for that perfect crust. In a large bowl, combine the flour, yeast, and salt, then gradually mix in warm water and olive oil. Knead the mixture until it becomes a smooth, elastic ball. Once your dough is ready, let it rise in a warm place, allowing it to double in size. This could take about an hour. Meanwhile, prepare your toppings. Traditional options include rich tomato sauce, mozzarella cheese, and a variety of vegetables, meats, and herbs. The beauty of homemade pizza is the freedom to get creative. Experiment with different cheese blends or exciting toppings like arugula or prosciutto to personalize your meal. After the dough has risen, punch it down and divide it into portions for individual pizzas. Roll out each portion on a floured surface, creating a thin base or thicker crust as per your preference. Preheat your oven to its highest setting, ideally around 475 degrees, 225 degrees. And if using a pizza stone, place it inside to heat up. Assemble your pizzas by layering sauce, cheese, and toppings, then transfer them to the oven. Bake for about 10 to 15 minutes until the edges are golden brown and the cheese is bubbling. Once cooked, let them cool slightly, slice, and serve hot. Enjoy your homemade pizza masterpiece.